as you begin to compile major paper number 2 and you are looking towards major paper number 3, you're going to be dealing with a lot of outside sources. Anywhere from 10 to 15 outside sources ultimately on major paper number 3. So you have a lot to read through. You have a lot of close reading and analysis that you need to do. Where to get started? Well, one place to start when you are looking at all of these sources is to start by analyzing those sources rhetorically. And in particular, look at where they fail rhetorically. Look for where they are ineffective. Look for areas where the logic does not hold. If you find outside sources that do not have rhetorical effectiveness or have a rhetorical fallacy, find that out early on, and then you can eliminate those from your draft and from using those, or you can find a source that you can argue against because it has a rhetorical fallacy. Right? Now, when we write argumentative papers, ultimately the goal is to persuade our reader. Right? So we want to present the best sources possible that do not have rhetorical fallacies, and we want to point out when the other side has support that is flawed. Okay, so being able to identify these rhetorical fallacies within outside sources is a valuable tool to use going forward as you write major paper number 2 and 3.